About a 4-post lift, so we're going to put it together now. Wish us luck. Back with Auto Mafia. I got Daytona back with me, and we got a special guest, Samuel from Germany, with us today. Says hi. So we're going to go ahead and start with our 96 today. We're going to start pulling the engine and the transmission and get ready to throw it into the 79 and back. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so right now he's taking off the transmission cross member because we forgot to. We're not going to go ahead and pull it from the top, we're going to drop it from the bottom, as you kind of could see. So pulling off the cross member. We already dropped the K member, it's kind of sitting down. I just undid the steering shaft, so hopefully that'll come out. Hopefully it's just like a hose or two, maybe a strap that we got to find now, and then we can actually drop it out. Whew. You know you're jealous.
That's how you get an engine out.
On the farm.
On the farm.
Yeah, that's how you get an engine out on the farm. Look at that, guys. There's Daytona, there's our beautiful 4.6. Looks like we actually have some underdrive pulleys for it. Woohoo! I don't have to buy any. That's awesome. Cool beans.
That's dangerous.
Samuel's putting our fantastic jack stands back away. Sometimes you just got to use wood. Alright, we're going to use a tractor. We're going to pick this big thing up, put it on the cement where we can actually work on it. Woohoo! Now it looks like we're having some technical difficulties with the tractor over here, so Daytona's going to have to bring his Mustang down, and we'll jump the tractor, and then we're going to take her away. It's time to undress this engine, start removing the belt. Now this is my first 4.6, so Take me a lot longer than 5.0. 5.0 I can undress without any problem. You don't got a wrench like this? Get one. That is a blown head gasket, ladies and gentlemen. Yuck. You get a blown head gasket, drain all the fluids from the engine first. Alright guys, so here's the story. This engine had a blown head gasket, or so we were told. Now when I pulled it apart, don't ask me where the video went, no idea. When I pulled this thing apart, we had rust around our pistons. So I didn't really want to have to pull it apart, hone everything out, and try and rebuild it that way with more money and not really knowing if it'll work. So we're just going to find another 4.6 engine, throw it in, throw our fuel system in, and we're going to get on it. This build's going awesome. I had like 20-something hours worth of film for this episode alone. There's a lot of fast forwarding, but hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to keep working, and as always, keep those tires burning, keep the flashing lights behind you, and peg that speedo.